Gotta smoke my blunt. Hold up. Alright. I just took an inhale of the kush. Now I'm exhaling the haze, and I feel as though I've been amazed because I've been trapped in a maze all day. But I must say, I'm amazed because I found the great escape, and I'm just gonna sit back and escape from all the hate. Let me demonstrate. You just need to close your eyes, open up your mind, take a step inside, leave your body behind, and soon you'll find the great. You'll find the great escape. So, what you gonna do? Are you gonna escape, or are you gonna be a part of all the hate? It's whatever. It's up to you. It's on your plate.